Hi, I'm CodeBuster09, and today I'll be showing you how to create a new world in Minecraft Java Edition. So first, let's click Single Player, and then click Create New World. You can rename your world to whatever you'd like. In this example, I'm going to call it Example World. Okay, now, you can change your game mode. In Survival Mode, you have a certain amount of hearts, which represent lives. Then you have meat sticks, which represent hunger, and you have to find your own resources. Now, hardcore is the same thing, but it's locked at the hardest difficulty, and you only have one life. In creative mode, you don't have any hearts or meat sticks. You can fly, and you get unlimited resources, and you can destroy blocks instantly instead of taking a minute to. So in this example, I'm going to use creative mode because I personally like that mode more. So if you feel like you don't want to get too complex, you can go ahead right now and click create new world. But if you'd like to get really deep into it, you can click more world options, and you can add like a seed, which is a template. You can change if you want villages and dungeons and stuff by turning this on and off. Then you can change your world type. Default just gives you hills, and it's just like a random world. Super flat will be a really flat world with you can also customize it, and the default will be one grass block, two dirt blocks, and one layer of bedrock below all of that. So if you'd like, you can remove these layers. Like I can remove a bedrock layer, and I can remove a dirt layer, and I can remove that. So now I really don't have anything. I would not recommend doing that, but you could if you really want to. But after super flat, there's also large biomes, which just has a lot of big cool stuff. Check that out if you'd like to experiment with that. Amplified is just for fun, and you need like a really strong computer because it uses a lot of resources. I'm not going to use that one. There's also customized, where you can turn on ravines and different things. You can kind of set it to exactly how you like. So that's that. In this example, I'm going to use default. And then there's also cheats, which are commands, and you can use those. To like change things in your world, like your game mode and the default game mode. I'll go over that stuff in a future video. But just to let you know, cheats are not comments in the world. They are commands. There's a difference. So if you turn cheats off, you can still talk to other players using like the T button. Okay. Now we have bonus chest. I normally like that off, especially when I'm in creative mode where I don't need it. But if I'm in survival mode or hardcore, then I'd probably like it on. In this example, we're gonna keep that off. And you can either click done or create new world. It takes a minute, so don't be shocked when it just has this. Okay, now here's the world that it gave me. Your world will be different, so don't be surprised. But that's how you do it. And I will come out with more videos, so please stay tuned. And I hope you have learned something. So my next video will be about how to use your controls, how to control yourself in Minecraft. So please stay tuned for that. But for now, have fun and enjoy your world.